Alright, continuing with exercise 9.1, question number 4. Convert the following percents into decimal. Decimal numbers means it has to have point, right? So now let us have a look at A. So they've given 13%. So percentage means I just have to divide by 100, right? So so have a look here. So 13 means what? Remember, the number 13 has a point here, and then there's infinite number of zeros, right? So divided by 100. When it is division, this point will go on the left side, right? So 1 2, which means it will be here. So my answer will be 0.13. Why 2 times? Because there are 2 zeros, right? So you can already see here. We'll do one more. B, right? 93%. So 93 by 100. So remember, 93, then here point, and then there are infinite number of zeros, right? Divided by 100. How many zeros are there? There are 2, right? So 1 2, and it will be here, which means my answer will be 0.93. Clear? So do the same thing here. You can see that what 4.7 divided by 100, right? So here the infinite number of points, but infinite number of zeros, right? Now the point is here, so 1 2, it has to go here, right? So I'll have what? Here's 0 and then point. Clear? 1 2, right? So that's all my answer will be. Instead of doing a division, you can simply write in 0.047. Alright, question number 5. Convert the following ratios into percent. Okay, so 1:2 means simply you can write it as 1/2, right? So there also convert these ratios into percentage. Clear? So 1/2 into, you have to multiply by 100. Clear? So 2 ones are, and then 250. 1 into 50 will just be 50, right? I'm going to get 50%. Same thing again. 35 is to 50. I can write it as 35 by 50 multiplied by 100, and 0 0. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 35 into 2, I'm going to get 70, right? When I multiply these two, or 70%. The last question number 6. Convert the following percents into ratios. Now opposite again. Alright, so this 34%, like I said, percentage simply means divided by 100, right? So now let's start dividing. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, then 2 5s are 10, right? So I'm going to get 15 by 17. I can't divide further than this, so the 17 by 50 can be written as 17 is to 50. Now let us look at, say, 7 1 by 2, which means what? 2 sevens are 14, right? And 14 plus 1, 15. I'll have 15 by 2%. This is simply divided by 100, right? So you can already see here. Then 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. So you can see we can't divide anymore. So in the numerator we have 3, then denominator 2 into 20, which I'm going to get 2 into 20 is 40, right? I'm going to have 3 by 40, which can be written in the ratio as 3 is to 40. Let's do the one more. 1.6%, right? So remember, percent means divided by 100, right? So you can see that this is 1.6, right? So I want to, in place of writing 1.6, I want to write it as 16. Clear? So you can see here the point is here, right? After a point, how many digits? Just 1, right? 6 is there, so I'll divide simply by 10. Clear? So now let's do the division here. 16, then 100 into 10, right? Let's do it by 4. Then 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, right? Then 2 2s are 4, then 2 5s are 10, which means in the numerator I'll have 2, and the denominator 25 into 5. So if I multiply 25 into 5, 25 multiplied by 5, then 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, right? I'm going to have 2 by 125, which can be written in a ratio 2 is to 125.